Namaskar students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is measurement. So students, what is measurement? We often ask, what is the length of this room? What is your age? What is your weight, etc. These all can be measured using measurement. Measurement is the action of measuring something. We can measure the time, weight, volume, temperature, length, speed, etc. Need for measurement. Imagine you have to buy some potato, then you have to tell the weight of potato to the shopkeeper you want to buy. That means measurement is very important for our daily life. Students, in this video I will discuss some units for measuring length, weight and capacity and conversion of units. We are going to discuss unit of measurements. Okay, first of all, length. So first, table of various unit of measuring length. Okay, this is the table of various unit for measuring length: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Meter is the standard unit for measuring length. Okay, so if you want to convert kilometer to hectometer, just multiply 10. Okay, and if you want to convert hectometer to decameter, just multiply 10, just like this. So kilometer is the larger unit for measuring length and millimeter is the smaller unit for measuring length. Okay, now if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, then you have to divide 10. For each step you have to divide 10, just like that for each step. Okay, that means if you want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide, and each step will be, you have to divide 10. And if you want to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply 10 for each step. Okay, if you want to convert meter to decimeter, just multiply 10 with meter. Okay, that means if you want to convert bigger unit to smaller, you have to multiply, and if you want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Okay, by 10 for each step. So now 1 meter equal to how many decimeter? 10. Okay, because the step is only one step, so 10 meter, 10 decimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Now 1 meter equal to dash centimeter. How many step? 1 2. That means you have to multiply 10 two times. That means 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now 1 kilometer equal to dash meter. So kilometer, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. That means you have to multiply 10 3 times to convert kilometer to meter. So 10 into 10 into 10, that means 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, now 1 hm, that means hectometer, equal to dash kilometer. So hectometer to kilometer, that means you have to divide one step, so you have to divide only 110. That means 1 by 10 kilometer. Now 1 centimeter equal to dash decimeter. So you can see centimeter is smaller unit and decimeter is bigger, so you have to divide by 10 because only one step. So 1 by 10 decimeter. Okay, now 1 centimeter equal to dash meter. Centimeter is smaller and meter is bigger unit. So how many step? 1 2. That means you have to multiply 1 by 10 two times. That means 1 by 100 meter. Okay, now units of weight. How to measure weight? Okay, so there are three standard unit to measure weight: gram for g for gram, kg for kilogram, mg means milligram. Okay, these three are actually standard, okay, most used unit for measuring weight. So now kg, g means gram, kg means kilogram, g and mg means milligram. So kg, g and mg. G is the middle point here. So kg is the bigger unit and mg is smaller. That means bigger to smaller here. So if you want to convert kg to gram, you have to multiply 1000. For each step 1000. Okay, if you want to convert kg to milligram, you have to multiply 1000 how many times? 2 times, because 2 step. Okay, now if you want to convert mg to g, that means gram, then you have to divide. Okay, you have to divide by 1000, because for each step 1000 here. For measuring unit of weight, you have to divide 1000 for each step if you want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, just like this. So 1 kg equal to how many gram? One step, that means 1000 gram. 1 gram, how many milligram? 1000, because one step. Just like that, 1 mg equal to, mg is smaller unit and g is bigger, so you have to divide. Okay, so one step, so 1 by 1000 only. Okay, so 2 kg equal to dash gram. 2 into 1000 gram, that means 2000 gram. Okay, now 3 kg 215 gram. 3 kg means 3 into 1000 gram plus this, and if you add, then 3000 plus 215 gram, that means 3215 gram. Okay, so 3 kg 215 gram means 3215 gram. Now students, capacity. Now we will learn the units of capacity for measuring capacity. So liter is the standard unit for measuring capacity. Liter is the like 1 liter, like 1 liter water, 1 liter milk, like this. Okay, or 3 liter oil. So liter is the standard unit for measuring capacity. So units for measuring capacity are actually kl, that means kiloliter, l, that means liter, ml, that means milliliter. Okay, just like weight, the rule is same: kiloliter, liter, milliliter, that means ml. So liter is the middle point here, and liter is the standard unit for measuring capacity. So if you want to uh, convert bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply 1000. Okay, for each step 1000. And if you want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide by 1000 for each step. Okay, the rule is same for weight and capacity. So students, 1 kiloliter, that means 1000 liter. Okay, 1000 liter, you can see here only one step, so 1000 liter. Now 1 liter equal to dash ml, 1000 ml, because one step only. Now 1 liter equal to dash kiloliter, so liter is smaller, kiloliter is bigger, so you have to divide by 1000, because only one step. Okay, so now students, we will solve exercise 9.1. Fill in the blanks here. A number problem: 6 meter equal to dash centimeter. So we have to see our table. Okay, table. So you can see 6 meter equal to dash centimeter, that means meter and centimeter. So how many steps? 1, 2. So you have to multiply, because meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller. So 10 into 10. So 6 meter, so 6 into 10 into 10, that means 600 centimeter. Okay, now 725 centimeter equal to dash meter dash centimeter. So we know 100 centimeter means 1 meter, so here is 725. So 700 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, we can write like this also. 725 means 700 plus 25 and centimeter, so 700 centimeter means 7 meter, 7 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, so 7 meter 25 centimeter is the answer. Now 6 kg, question number D. Kg to gram, kg to gram, you can see here kg to gram, only one step, so we have to multiply 1000 because kg is bigger. So kg, so 6000 gram, because 6 into 1000 equal to 6000. Okay, gram. Now 3 kg 125 gram, 3 kg means actually 3000 gram, because 1 kg means 1000, so 3 kg means 3000 gram, 125 gram here, so we have to add these two, that means 3125 gram. Okay, 3125 gram. Now 8 kiloliter 150 liter, so the rule is same for capacity and weight, you can see. So kiloliter to liter we have to go, that means bigger to smaller, so and one step, so only 1000 we have to multiply. So 8 kiloliter means 8 into 1000 liter. Okay, plus 150 liter, that means 8000 plus 150 liter, that means 800 150 liter. Okay, this is the answer. Now question number J. 8075 milliliter, so milliliter to we have to go liter, that means smaller to bigger, so we have to divide 1000 because only one step. So you can see here we can write also this 8000 plus 75 ml. Okay, now 8000 ml means 8 liter and 75 milliliter. Okay, so very easy. 8000 means 8000 ml means 8 liter. Now we have to go mg to z, that means milligram to gram. So here you can see, you can write like this also. Okay, so 5000 milligram plus 146 milligram, we can write like this. Now 5000 milligram means 5 gram plus 146 milligram, that means 5 gram and 146 milligram. Okay, now 12 kilometer means kilometer to meter, one step, two step, three steps, that means we have to multiply 10 3 times, that means 1000. We know this is very easy, 12,000 meter, because 1 kilometer means we know 1000 meter, so 12 kilometer means 12 into 1000 meter, that means 12,000 meter. Okay, now 7285 meter equal to dash kilometer dash meter, so you can write like this: 7000 meter plus 285 meter. 700 meter means 7 kilometer and 285 meter is there, so 7 km and 285 meter. Okay, now the next problem, 6195 gram. We know 1000 gram means 1 kg. Okay, so here is 6000 gram, we can write like this also, plus 195 gram, because 6195, so we can write like 6000 gram plus 195 gram. Now 6000 gram means 6 kilogram, that means 6 kg, and 195 gram, so 6 kg 195 gram. Okay, now 3 centimeter 5 millimeter. So we know 1 centimeter means, you can see centimeter and millimeter are only one step, so you have to multiply only 10, 110. Okay, so 3 centimeter means 3 into 10 millimeter, and 5 millimeter is there, so 30 millimeter and plus 5 millimeter, that means 35. Okay, 35 millimeter. Now the last problem, 4210 liter equal to dash kiloliter and dash liter. So 4000 liter, we can write like this also. So 4000 liter means 4 kiloliter plus 200 liter, so 4 kiloliter and 210 liter. Okay, this is the answer. So this much.